Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car parking monitors. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Smart Blind Spot Radar BSD Alarm Monitor. Specifications: brand name, mouse. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 10.36. Interface, micro SD, DF. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 25. Number 4 on our list is 10.26 inches dash cam. Specifications: brand name, Xcody. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 300 mega. Display size, 9.88. Interface, AVN. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Number 3 on our list is 11.3-inch Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, Grand Navy. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. GPS logger, external. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Display size, 11.3 inches. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 on our list is AHD monitor system. Specifications: brand name, mouse. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 10.36. Interface, micro SD, DF. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Number 1 on our list is Android 13 dash cam. Specifications: brand name, ImageBond. Display, IPS. Touchscreen, yes. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 128 GB. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, UIS8581A1. Frames per second, 30.